So let's take a look at the cytoskeleton that we find inside cells. So this is just a network of fibers that extends throughout the cytoplasm, and the cytoskeleton is made out of proteins. So in this picture on the bottom right, they've actually stained the cytoskeleton proteins with some different fluorescent dyes, and you can actually see the nucleus here in blue in the middle. But you can see all the cytoskeleton proteins here in the green and the orange colors. So it's kind of like the skeleton of bones in our body, but this is a skeleton that is made out of proteins inside of our cells. And this just helps maintain the shape of the cells, and also it acts like a little railroad tracks inside of the cells. And this is how the cell can move the organelles around and other things it needs to move. So it's a pretty cool system that we've got this cytoskeleton. Okay, flagella. The function of the flagella is movement. So this will move the cell around. And this is found in some animal, plant, and bacterial cells. So for example, in humans, the only cells that have flagella are the sperm cells in men. So this is an actual sperm cell, and you can see the flagella looks like a little tail here. And you can see how it whips back and forth, and that will propel the sperm cell. And I thought this was an interesting picture here. You can actually see a human egg cell, and here's the sperm cell before it enters in and fertilizes the egg, but you can see there's a huge difference in size between the human egg and the human sperm cells. And then over here on the bottom right, this is a bacterial cell, and sometimes the bacteria will have multiple flagella that are coming out from the cell on them. Okay, and then the cell wall. So the cell wall is just located right outside the plasma membrane on our plant cells, and it's made out of cellulose. And cellulose is just a type of carbohydrate. And the functions of the cell wall in the plant cells is it just provides support for the plant cell, and it also helps protect the cell as well because it's a pretty sturdy structure that they have.